and welcome back to Oh My Pets. We haven't posted in like so long. It's been really busy and it is so hard to film because it is so loud here. So anyways, we're just outside. We're gonna go hang out with the goats. This is Grace, one of my chickens. And the goats, they need hay. So we're gonna give them their hay for the night and make sure they have water, just the evening chores. Tasha! Dobbin! That right there, that's Tasha and Dobbin. Hey guys! Alright. Where's the gate? Oh. Good evening.
Gate's right here, Lark.
Okay, yeah.
Let us be going now.
I think we're distracting the chickens and they want. It's just alfalfa. Hey guys! It's hay. It's not a treat.
I know, but she loves it.
Well, because it's food. It's like a hay for a rabbit.
I know, it's like your main diet.
Oh my goodness. Look how adorable Tasha is. Tashi. Guys, what are you doing? Is the hay good? Is it good? Oh. The moon looks so spooky right now. Like half covered with the clouds. Alright, we have to go lock up the chickens here in a second. Wait for them all to come in. We should probably... Oh, we have to check waters. Go check water, make sure they have water.
They have water.
They do? Okay.
Yeah, everything has water.
Dobbin! Dobbin!
Do you want to eat my boots?
Hey, sweetie. Dobbin. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Still food safe.
I know. Do you guys love it? Do you love eating because you're goats?
I know it.
She really, really hates Tasha and Dobbin. Agnes does. Why does she want the hay on the ground? Like,
I don't know.
they have it in the barn, right?
Yeah, it's filled in their barn.
I know, the goats, for some reason, they really like hay on the ground. And okay, so this is my pen, which, as you can tell, it's electric fencing, but since it's overgrown, it's off right now. I need to fix that. Somebody needs to fix that. Oh, and they're not in yet. Okay. Great.
And that's why you said I need to fix that.
I said I need to fix that. Somebody needs to fix that. I mean, the moon is up. It's a lot darker than this camera shows because the chickens are not up yet. We're going to lock up the ducks. The ducks are dumb. They don't go into the house at night. So
Come out at midnight and we'd be out and about.
yeah, we have to chase them in. There. They're not very smart.
The one time they were missing, they were way back in our woods.
Yeah, they went missing and they were way back there in the woods. This is such a gross door. So this is the it's the
Black bear patch.
the berry patch, yes, but it's dead. And there's ducks living in it now. Like, these are the trellises, they just aren't finished yet. They're just sticks in the ground that are, you know, they're good for standing on. Get a good view of our beautiful yard. Later and darker and harder to film, but I think the camera sees things just really blurry. So we're going back out to the chickens. Try to come out again. Yeah, they can't know that we're coming to lock them up, or they'll all come out. All right, they're not so I can lock them up for the night. And their disgusting algae covered door. This is not easy in any way to hold the camera. There we go. Good night, chickens. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.